Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a new concept that is becoming increasingly important in the digital world: self-sovereign digital identity. So what is self-sovereign digital identity? How does it work? And why is it important for businesses? Let's find out. Self-sovereign digital identity is a new approach to identity management that empowers individuals to control their personal data in a way that was not possible before. Traditionally, our personal data is stored in centralized databases controlled by third-party service providers or central authorities, which can expose our data to potential breaches and misuse. Self-sovereign digital identity, on the other hand, puts the control of personal data back in the hands of individuals. With a self-sovereign digital identity, individuals can store their personal data on a decentralized network, like a blockchain, and use it to verify their identity to third parties without having to disclose their personal information. One of the key benefits of self-sovereign digital identity is that it enables individuals to have control over their personal data. This means that they can choose who they want to share their data with and for what purpose. This creates a more transparent and secure way of sharing personal data and can help prevent data breaches and identity theft. Another benefit of self-sovereign digital identity is that it can help to reduce the cost and complexity of identity management. With traditional identity management systems, each service provider must maintain its own database of user identities, which can be expensive and time-consuming. With self-sovereign digital identity, individuals can maintain their own identity data and share it with service providers as needed, reducing the burden on service providers and improving the user experience. Self-sovereign digital identity works on the principle of decentralized identity management. It is based on blockchain technology, which is essentially a digital ledger that allows secure, transparent, and tamper-proof recording of transactions. In the example of opening a bank account, a self-sovereign digital identity system would allow you to create a unique digital identity that is linked to your personal data. You can decide which pieces of information you want to share with the bank, and these details would be encrypted and stored on a blockchain. When you need to prove your identity, you would use your digital identity, which is secured by a private key that only you have access to. This key would allow you to share your information with the bank or any other service provider, without the need to disclose your personal information every time. The bank would use a digital signature to verify your identity, which involves cryptographic techniques to authenticate your identity. This process is more secure and efficient compared to traditional forms of identity verification that rely on usernames, passwords, or biometric data. It also eliminates the need for intermediaries such as identity verification services, which can be costly and time-consuming. So why is self-sovereign digital identity important for businesses? There are several reasons. First of all, it can help to reduce the risk of data breaches. Since personal data is stored in a decentralized way on a blockchain rather than in a centralized database, this can help to increase customer trust and loyalty since they know that their personal data is being protected. Secondly, it can help to streamline identity verification processes, making it faster, more secure, and more convenient for both businesses and customers. This can help to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve the customer experience. Finally, it can enable new forms of collaboration and innovation by allowing individuals and organizations to share data in a more secure and decentralized way. Overall, self-sovereign digital identity has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate by providing greater security, privacy, and efficiency in identity verification process. By giving individuals more control over their personal data, businesses can build trust with their customers and unlock new opportunities for collaboration and innovation. Self-sovereign digital identity is an exciting development in the digital world that has the potential to transform how we manage and protect our personal data. It offers numerous benefits for individuals and businesses alike, paving the way for a more secure, efficient, and transparent digital future. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest educational content. By subscribing, you'll never miss a new video, and you'll be joining a community of lifelong learners like yourself. Thanks for watching.